Stumbled across a GL file from the early days of PC animation? These are Grasp animation files from a vintage MS-DOS animation system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view these classic Grasp animation files. I call this the last resort solution for those GL files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. A legacy animation file created by Grasp, Graphical System for Presentation, a program popular in the DOS era. These files contain scripts and commands to render animations, text, and graphics. Users encounter GL files when trying to access or convert old multimedia presentations from the late 1980s and early 1990s. The GL format is a script-based binary file. It contains a sequence of commands rather than raw frame data, instructing the Grasp player on how to draw shapes, move objects, and play sounds. This design was highly efficient for the limited storage and processing power of early PCs, minimizing file size. Grasp from Paul Mace software should be your first choice when attempting to open GL. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows can preview many of them, but editing features depend on video software. To correct the file's application assignment, right-click your GL file and choose Open With. Check for Grasp and test it first. If it's missing, select a different app. The key to access is finding the right tool. If you still can't open the GL file, it's okay. It's just a no-go for the main program. To narrow down the issue with the GL format, start these 3 essential checks right now. First, playing with DOSBox. Install DOSBox and MS-DOS emulator and obtain Grasp from archived software repositories. Configure DOSBox with appropriate display settings, then run the Grasp player with GL files as input. This recreates the original MS-DOS environment where GL files were designed to play with proper VGA color and timing. Next, converting with specialized tools. Use Grasp conversion utilities available from vintage software preservation archives to convert GL files to modern formats like GIF or video. These tools extract individual animation frames and reassemble them with appropriate timing for playback in current media players or web browsers. Finally, capturing via screen recording. Run GL files in DOSBox and capture playback using screen recording software like OBS Studio. The captured video preserves animations in modern formats playable on any current device. This approach works when direct conversion tools are unavailable, preserving Grasp content for archival and presentation purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.